In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS NVENC error message. Now, this error usually indicates an outdated NVIDIA graphics card, and it's actually quite simple to fix. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Start menu on your computer and search for Device Manager and click on the Device Manager window. From this window, you need to come down to Display Adapters and expand this, and you need to locate your NVIDIA graphics card from this list. You then need to right-click on your NVIDIA graphics card, click on Update Driver, and then press Search automatically for drivers. Now, if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, you'll then need to come down to Search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and sometimes it may also find outdated drivers here. So you just need to press the Check for Updates button and check to see if any outdated drivers are found. Now, if it does detect any updates inside of here, then you need to go ahead and install those now. And then the next thing you want to do is head over to an internet browser and just type in NVIDIA app, download, and hit enter. Then you need to click on the top search result, this nvidia.com, and this should take you to the NVIDIA app, and you'll have this download now button. So click on this like so, and once this is finished downloading, you'll simply need to open up the application and go through the instructions on the screen to install this to your PC. Once you have installed the NVIDIA app, you can simply head to the Start menu and search for NVIDIA, and then click on NVIDIA underneath Apps. Once you've launched up the application, click on Drivers from the left-hand side, and then select this Check for Updates button, and once again, if any outdated drivers are found, it's going to go ahead and list them here. So you can see currently here is the latest driver for my device. So you just go ahead and click on the Install button. Make sure you have Express Installations selected and press Continue, and then you just need to wait for that to finish installing to your device. You can then head back over to OBS to check if that's now fixed the issue. Otherwise, what we can do is click on File in the top left of OBS Studio, come down to Settings, and then click on Output from the left-hand side. Now, underneath Streaming, if you currently have the video encoder set to Hardware NVENC, you can actually try changing this to Software X264 instead. And you also need to do the same in the Recording tab. So we're going to change the encoder down here to Software X264. And then you can just close out of here to save all of your changes. And you can now check to see if that's fixed the issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.